Today is World TB Day and the deadliest infectious disease is still among us. So in today's editorial, let's quickly talk about it. The editorial says a decade of building India's TB champion movement. Now this article talks about how India has spent over 10 years building a strong movement of TB, which is tuberculosis survivors, called TB champions to fight the disease better. Okay, these people are the TB survivors are called TB champions, and the background is tuberculosis is a serious infectious disease that mainly affects the lungs. Now India has the highest number of TB cases in the world. Earlier, efforts focused only on medicines and doctors, but people finalized fighting TB is not just medical, it's also social, emotional, and psychological. Now, in early 2017, in a workshop in New Delhi, Cedric Ferdinand, a tuberculosis survivor and advocate from Maharashtra, said to a room full of TB survivors, it has been a very lonely having this disease. Now, what exactly are these TB champions? Let us understand that these people are the ones who had TB and recovered, and now they help other patients spread awareness, fight stigma. Stigma is shame around TB, guide people to complete the treatment. Basically, people who suffered now help others not to suffer. Now, there are key dimensions of this whole article. The first dimension is the health dimension, which is TB champions improve early diagnosis, treatment completion, and result better recovery rates. Then there is a social dimension also. Now, TB patients often face stigma, people avoid them, isolation. TB champions are, someone, they share their stories, make patients feel that you're not alone in this. And then there is a psychological dimension to it. TB patients feel fear, shame, depression. Champions provide emotional support, motivation to continue treatment. Then there is a governance dimension to this. Government programs now include community participation, use TB champions as part of policy. Example, India's National TB Elimination Program, NTEP, has also been there. And then there is a community participation dimension also. Now, what is this dimension? Doctors, not only doctor approach, but people's community approach should be there. This is called people-centric healthcare. Then technology and innovation is also very important. Use of data, AI tools helps in tracking patients, better treatment strategies. Now, why this matter? Because TB is today curable, and yet many die due to it because there is late diagnosis and social stigma. TB champions help bridge this gap. Now, this becomes highly important for civil service examination. How? For prelims, this becomes important, and for GS paper 2 and 3, which is governance and social justice and health and development, this article becomes highly important. And that is it for today. Thank you for watching.